it's Linda back again with another video. For today's video, I'm bringing you a fabulous Friday Dollar Tree haul. The first item I'm going to show you is something that really took me back to my childhood. This Lisa Frank sticker book, and it has apparently 600 stickers, and I was the Lisa Frank girl back in the 90s. Ugh, this just like takes me back. I used to collect these as a kid, and I used to have like the folders, the pencils, the stickers, the notebooks, the coloring books. I was just obsessed with Lisa Frank, so I was really excited to find this. I actually don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm gonna find a place to put all these stickers. The next items I'm gonna show you are really cute. I found them in the last minute gifts little section at Dollar Tree, where they had really cute gift sets for girls and women. So I got was the little blue accessories, and I thought this was so cute. It's a beauty sponge with a mirror in its nice little casing, a hand mirror with the same blue glitter, and a brush set with 3 brushes in it with the same glitter detail on the handle. And I just thought this was a really cute set as a stocking stuffer, or just to make a cute little gift basket. And they also had a purple set and I believe a pink one, but I really like the way the blue looked. So this was really cute. So I found some more great Wet n Wild makeup products. And if you haven't seen my Dollar Tree Wet n Wild haul, I'll link it above. But I found some great lipsticks. So these are the lipsticks that I found. These 2 are liquid lipsticks, and they're really pretty. This pink one here is Click on My Hyper Pink, and this bottom one is Back to the Fuchsia. So this is a really cute kind of set, and I'm thinking that this would be a great stocking stuffer to go with the little gift set that I got. I also found another ombre lip wand, and this is a really pretty color. It's like a dark brick red brownish color, and then a really pretty bright red. And I thought this was a really nice holiday lipstick. So this is also a great stocking stuffer to add with the little gift set that I bought. As I've mentioned before, I love finding the Kiss gel nail polish at the Dollar Tree. Pretty much the only nail polish I use these days. So I had to restock on my clear gel nail polish. I really like using this as a base coat and a top coat, so I got myself another clear polish. Next, I found a cream contour kit. If you've seen my previous Dollar Tree haul, you know that I found the same Broadway Colors palette in the powder contour kit, but this is the cream contour kit. So I was really excited to find the one with the color correctors and the nice creams, so I can do some really fabulous looks with both contour kits now. The next item I found was also by Broadway Colors, and this was a fabulous palette to find. So this is a great palette of neutral tones, perfect for smoky eyes, bronzy eyes. I just love all of the colors. This is definitely my daily aesthetic. And the palette is really big. It's a really nice size. For Dollar Tree, this is an amazing find, and I'm so happy that I found it. And the last item is a hair item. I found the SGX NYC So Whipped Mousse. I was really happy with the hairsprays that I previously found, so I was so excited when I got the mousse. This says frizz-free curls, weightless hold, long-lasting style. Ooh, that was only a little bit, and it really expanded a lot. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I'm just gonna grab a little bit, kind of put it into my curls. Wow, it smells like, kind of smells like Viva La Juicy, like Juicy Couture perfume. It smells so delicious. I love it. Oh my God. So this is my first time trying it, and I'm obsessed. Oh, it smells so good, and it definitely has a nice texture to it. I have naturally straight hair, So Mousse usually straightens out my curls. So I'm really excited that it just held on nicely. So that is all for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what your favorite items were from this haul. I have to say, I think my favorite items are the palette and the ombre lip wand. I'm definitely excited to try these first, and I'm also excited to figure out where I'm gonna put the Lisa Frank stickers. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so that you get notifications every time I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.